So now let's have a little discussion about marketing in the next few videos. So first of all, what exactly is marketing to your company as sort of an early stage startup venture? In those early stages, you need to be getting out there, and we talked a little bit about it. You need to be getting sort of brand recognition. You need to be getting the buzz out. It needs to be the social media avenues, Twitter, YouTube, etc., Facebook page, your own company website, and then locally. I mean, and some of the marketing will definitely be tailored depending on what it is that you're doing specifically. Obviously, if you're building an app which applies to your local city, that's where the marketing would happen, versus if you're creating an app that's geared towards a market that's worldwide but fairly niche, you need to be marketing towards them, maybe on some affiliate marketing on those types of websites. So lots of different avenues you can go. We're not here to figure out specifically your marketing plan, but speaking of a marketing plan, that's what you should be doing next. You should be writing a marketing plan. So essentially, we're getting you to the business plan because you're going to be piecing it together almost. We already created our 5-page document touching on the key points. Now I want you to think about a 4 to 5-page document, which is just your marketing plan. Who is the market? How big is that market in terms of numbers of people and dollar-wise? How much is being spent in that market? Where are they located geographically? What's their age demographic? So a lot of demographic information. Once you know who this great market is, what's your plan to reach them? And what sort of slice of that pie do you believe you can receive? Is the market, $100 million and you think you can get 20 million of it? Well, how? What avenues are you going to take to get there? So we're going to talk about who the market is and how big of a slice do you think you can get and what tools you're going to use to actually get that slice of the market. That's essentially your market plan. Again, you're going to have to go out on your own and you have to research a marketing plan and really write it. And I really want you to think about it. Investors, again, they want to see this information. You probably won't get any investment from somebody until you have a marketing plan or can put one together fairly quickly afterwards. They want to see what's your go-to marketing strategy. You need to be thinking about these things. So again, hopefully you're realizing there's a lot more to starting a company and being an entrepreneur than just creating a cool product. There's so much to it. So that said, I encourage you to go ahead and get started on a marketing plan. Take a look. There's lots of templates out there, lots of information. And go ahead and write your marketing plan. And again, this can be incorporated into your business plan. So it's not a lost adventure. This will actually be valuable information. And last point is that ultimately, when you write this marketing plan, think about actually executing your marketing plan. You're going to need to ultimately do all the things that you say that you're going to do. This is what will drive, your sales in the long run. So write your plan, take it to heart, and ultimately this will be something that will be executed and worked into your business plan.